Have you ever paused to consider the incredible power residing behind your eyes? The sheer potential contained within? The intricate web of connections in your brain actually outnumbers the stars you see twinkling in the Milky Way on a clear night. It's a vast internal cosmos. Encased safely inside your skull is a cosmos, a universe of complex thought, profound feeling and cherished memory, all intertwined and constantly evolving. It's a 3-pound marvel, undeniably more complex and fascinating than anything else we currently understand in the known universe. It's the very source of every dream you've ever had, every groundbreaking idea, and every life-altering breakthrough you will experience. This journey we're about to embark on is a voyage, an exploration, deep into that incredible inner universe that resides within us all. Imagine, if you will, your brain as a bustling, vibrant city, with specialized districts meticulously designed for specific tasks, expansive highways facilitating the rapid flow of vital information, and tireless power plants that work diligently, ensuring the lights never dim. Even as you peacefully rest and recharge, it continues to diligently manage your heartbeat, orchestrate your dreams, and keep you functioning. Together, we'll explore the ancient fundamental structures that work tirelessly to keep you alive and thriving, and the advanced, highly evolved regions that empower you to ponder the very nature of existence and your place within it. Our primary tool in this exploration isn't a telescope pointed towards the stars, but rather knowledge itself. Simple yet profound ideas and powerful, relatable analogies. These will help us reveal and appreciate the brain's incredible wonders. Together, we'll tell the captivating story of how individual cells working in concert generate the phenomenon we call consciousness, how seemingly simple electrical sparks can transform into complex and nuanced emotions, and ultimately, how you are able to understand and process these very words I'm speaking. Because by truly understanding the intricate workings of the brain, we inevitably get closer to achieving a deeper understanding of ourselves, our motivations, and our place in the world. The vast and awe-inspiring universe isn't just something that exists out there, separate from us. In fact, a spectacular and equally complex version of it exists right now, inside your very head. So, let's embark on this incredible journey and explore it together, shall we? Let's consider the brain for a moment. Think of the brain as a complex building, a structure of immense capability. This building wasn't erected overnight. It was constructed over millions of years, layer upon layer, adapting and evolving with each passing era. The foundation, the bedrock upon which everything else is built, is the survival brain. It's your automatic pilot, always on, always vigilant. It's tirelessly managing heartbeat, breathing, and those crucial, life-sustaining reflexes. Remember that time you instinctively pulled your hand away from a hot stove? That lightning-fast reaction, that's the survival brain at work, protecting you from harm. Ascending from the survival brain, we encounter the feeling brain. Also known as the limbic system, it's the center for handling emotions, storing memories, and forging social bonds. It's the region where you experience the full spectrum of human emotion, love, fear, joy, and everything in between. It's also the reason why a particular smell can suddenly trigger a powerful, vivid memory from your past. This is the very seat of your emotional world, the landscape of your feelings. And finally, at the very top, we find the thinking brain. This is the neocortex, and more specifically, the prefrontal cortex. Here resides logic, the power of language, boundless imagination, and the capacity for self-reflection. It's this part of the brain that truly makes us uniquely human, setting us apart from other species. It's what allows us to plan for the future, solve complex problems, and even engage in the fascinating act of thinking about thinking itself. These three distinct layers, survival, feeling, and thinking, all work together in remarkable harmony to create the unique individual that is you. The survival brain is constantly working to keep you alive and safe. The feeling brain connects you to others, fostering empathy and understanding. And the thinking brain empowers you to imagine the future and shape your destiny. Together, these three layers form the intricate architecture of your mind, the very foundation of your being. Every single action you take, every emotion you feel, and every thought you have is a complex collaboration between these three essential layers of your brain. Therefore, understanding how these layers function and interact is key to understanding ourselves, our motivations, and our potential. This, then, is the remarkable story of your brain's evolution, a journey millions of years in the making. Deep within the architecture of your mind lies the cerebrum. This remarkable structure is, in essence, your personal supercomputer. It's the seat of your conscious thought, your reasoning, and your ability to understand the world around you. The cerebrum presents itself as a large, wrinkled dome that dominates the upper portion of your brain. Its surface isn't smooth but rather intricately folded. These folds aren't just for show, they dramatically increase the surface area, allowing it to pack more processing power into the limited space within your skull. This ingenious design gives you the capacity for higher-level thinking, complex problem-solving, and creative endeavors. The cerebrum isn't a single unified mass. It's cleverly split into two distinct left and right hemispheres. These hemispheres are connected by the corpus callosum, a super-fast data cable composed of millions of nerve fibers. While some specific tasks like language processing or spatial reasoning might lean more heavily on one hemisphere or the other, the vast majority of our cognitive functions require both sides working together in perfect harmony. Each hemisphere is further divided into four major lobes. These are the frontal lobe, responsible for planning, decision-making, and problem-solving; the parietal lobe, which is crucial for sensory processing and spatial awareness; the occipital lobe, dedicated entirely to vision; and the temporal lobe, which plays a vital role in hearing, language comprehension, and memory formation. Think of these lobes as specialized departments within a vast corporation, each with its own unique responsibilities and expertise. The frontal lobe, with its executive functions, is like the CEO, making strategic decisions and overseeing operations. The parietal lobe is the data analyst, meticulously analyzing incoming sensory information. The occipital lobe is the creative visual designer, transforming raw data into meaningful images. And the temporal lobe is the communications and memory manager, handling information flow and storing vital experiences. These departments constantly collaborate, seamlessly sharing information to orchestrate every thought, feeling, and action you take. This intricate teamwork is what allows you to navigate the complexities of the world with such remarkable ease and adaptability. In essence, your cerebrum is the central headquarters of your personality, your intellect, and your very being. It's within this remarkable structure that you become aware of yourself, your place in the world, and the intricate tapestry of your surroundings. This is truly the brain's command center, the hub of your conscious experience. Beyond the cerebrum, two unsung heroes keep you moving and alive: the cerebellum and the brainstem. The cerebellum, or little brain, sits at the back and controls balance, coordination, and movement. It's the master choreographer, turning simple commands into smooth, precise actions. Practice makes perfect because your cerebellum fine-tunes your movements over time. The brainstem connects your brain to your spinal cord and is the core of your survival brain. It regulates heartbeat, breathing, and sleep vital functions you never think about. The brainstem is the ultimate life support system, keeping you alive even when you're unconscious. It's the critical relay station, sending sensory information up and motor commands down. Without it, the rest of your brain would be cut off from your body. The cerebellum and brainstem are the foundation of everything you do. They work tirelessly behind the scenes. They are the unsung heroes of your brain. Without them, nothing else would function. The brain's magic happens through neurons, about 86 billion of them. Each neuron is a tiny wire, receiving signals through dendrites and sending them via axons. Neurons connect in vast networks, forming the circuitry of your mind. Communication is electrochemical. An electrical pulse races down the axon, reaching a gap called a synapse. Here, the signal becomes chemical. Neurotransmitters ferry the message across the gap. These chemicals can excite or inhibit the next neuron, creating a delicate balance. This process happens billions of times per second, enabling thought, memory, and emotion. It's a lightning-fast dance of electricity and chemistry. Every thought and feeling is a unique pattern of neurons firing. This is the dynamic light show inside your head. Your brain is the conductor of your body's orchestra, sending and receiving signals through the nervous system. The central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, is the command center. The peripheral nervous system connects the command center to every part of your body. Decide to pick up a glass? The frontal lobe makes the call, the motor cortex plans, the cerebellum refines, and the brainstem relays the command to your muscles. Sensory nerves send feedback, pressure, temperature, sight, so you adjust in real time. This feedback loop lets you interact smoothly with the world. The autonomic nervous system runs on autopilot, managing heart rate, digestion, and more. When you're nervous, your brain speeds up your heart. When you relax, it slows things down. Your brain constantly fine-tunes your internal state, It's the master conductor keeping everything in harmony. We've explored the universe inside your head, from the survival brain to the thinking brain, from neurons to the grand orchestra of your body. The brain is a masterpiece of evolution, capable of music, science, and self-reflection. Yet much remains a mystery: consciousness, memory, dreams. The quest to understand the brain is as thrilling as exploring outer space. Science thrives on curiosity, yours included. Don't stop here. Keep asking questions, reading, and exploring. Your brain is the ultimate instrument for discovery. Join the conversation. What fascinates you most? What questions do you have? Suggest topics for our next journey. Let's keep exploring the cosmos, inside and out, together. The greatest adventure is understanding who we are. Keep looking up and keep looking in.